We're here at AutoSens and In-Cabin USA 2026 from the Huntington Place in downtown Detroit. It's great to get away from the desk and see everybody in person and see real life-saving technology here on the exhibition floor.
We are by engineers for engineers, which means we have a really technical agenda chosen by our advisory board, made up of OEMs and Tier 1s. They choose the content based on how relevant it is, how technical it is, and it has to be really, really good.
There are so many events that we go to, and there is always a missing element between all the suppliers in the automotive ecosystem. I think that is what AutoSens is solving. Every year is new and better.
It's really a global event, and there's a lot of people from all over the world, not only from the US. It's been great to talk to different people, different situations, different countries, and it's been really great to network.
You're getting a lot of OEMs, Tier 1s, suppliers, all the players in the space coming together and talking about what's important to them. I'm standing here on the side and listening to some of the panelists, and they're doing a great job talking about what's going on out there. So if you're looking to go and get involved, or you're trying to learn, or trying to network, this has been a wonderful experience. My first time. I'll be coming back hopefully every year from now on. So, thanks for having me.